Alrighty, Chicos and Chicas. Well, actually, it would just be Chicos because there's no determination of male or female whenever it's plural in Spanish. But we're not talking about this episode, Spanish in this episode. In this video, we are going to do an introduction on the nervous system. Yeah. But the intro to the nervous system, let's get to it. So the nervous system is the most important system of the body in conjunction with the endocrine system. So the nervous system, endocrine system, more specifically in this case the nervous system, pretty much control everything that happens in the body. So between the nervous system, endocrine system, without them we'd be dog poop. We really would be, I'm telling you. But the nervous system and the endocrine system are extremely important. So nervous system controls body's actions due to nerve impulses. So the nervous system, comparing and contrasting the nervous system to the endocrine system, the nervous system responds very, very quickly. So within seconds or milliseconds, boom, our nerves are firing. However, the effects are pretty short lasting with the nervous system. However, the endocrine system, the effects can take a little bit longer to kick in. So it might take hours, or might take minutes, hours, perhaps even days with the endocrine system, but the effects are much more long lasting. So endocrine system, longer lasting effects, however, take a little bit longer to kick in, where the nervous system pretty much immediately kicks in. However, the effects don't last as long though. So what are the organs of the nervous system? So organs, or nervous system, is a group of organs working together with similar function and structure, ultimately solving or working together for one or many processes. So that's the definition of a system, is a bunch of organs that are similar in function and structure working together to complete a task. So the organs of the nervous system are going to be the brain, spinal cord, and nerves, which are bundles of nerve fibers, essentially. So their nerves are organized bundles of nerve fibers. So we're going to get into it a little bit now. So we have an axon, which is a nerve fiber. We've discussed axons previously, but they're the portion of the cell body that goes away from the cell body, that sends information away from the cell body, where the dendrites receive information and send information towards the cell body. This is going to be the cell body today. The axon sends information away from the cell body, so it sends information away from the cell body. So an axon is a nerve fiber, and when they're all these axons or nerve fibers are bundled together, it's called a nerve. So I want you to perhaps actually stop this video now and look back on our intro to the muscular system. We're going to have a lot of similar terms whenever we talked about endomysium, perimysium, fascicle, epimysium. When we discuss that with the muscular system, we're going to see some of those terms right now. So I'll see you back in. Oh, welcome back. Okay, good to see you back. So there's connective tissue that surrounds each nerve fiber or axon. So nerve fiber, axon, they're pretty much synonymous words here. So there's connective tissue that surrounds each axon. That is called the endoneurium. So instead of endomysium with the muscular system, the connective tissue that surrounds each axon or nerve fiber is endoneurium. And then all these nerve fibers or axons covered by endoneurium do bundle together to form a fascicle, which is the same as the muscular system. So covering these fascicles is, you're pretty smart. You got it. It's the perineurium. So perineurium covers fascicles in the nervous system. And then guess what? All these fasciculi, which is fasciculi, the plural fascicle, all these fasciculi bundle together to form the nerve. And then guess what? The nerve is surrounded by another layer of connective tissue called the epineurium. How freaking cool is that? It's like the same but different. Same but different. That's another movie quote. I'm just zinging the movie quotes. I'm a movie quoter out here. But the purposes of this connective tissue surrounding each layer of the of the axon, the nerve, every layer. It's kind of like the Russian tea kettle or tea dolls that we discussed earlier. How there's just layers upon layers upon layers upon layers upon layers. All that connective tissue is very important for obviously provides insulation. So one axon, one nerve fiber, one nerve can send an impulse without affecting all the other nerve fibers or axons. So that's the first, is to provide insulation, so each nerve fiber can function independently without affecting other nerve fibers. Also, the connective tissue surrounding each axon, each fasciculi, each nerve is due to protects the nerve fibers. So insulation, protection, also binds or connects each nerve fiber, fasciculi, and nerve. So it binds the fibers together, it protects them, it provides insulation, and last but certainly not least, the connective tissue surrounding each layer of the nervous system from the axon to the nerve does help to provide nutrients to each, whether it's the axon, aka nerve fiber, or the fasciculi, or the nerve itself. So A, provide insulation, the connective tissue does. B, protects the nerve fibers. C, or 3, whatever system you're on. I'm on the alphabetical metric system here, but C or 3 is going to be to connect or bind nerve fibers together, and then last but certainly not least, number 4 or number D is going to be to provide nutrients. That's the reason for the connective tissue there. So that's our intro to the nervous system. In the next video here, we're going to check out the functions of the nervous system. Yeah!